you doing, folks? Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. About a month ago, when I got back on YouTube for the first time after 4 years, I did a review. Well, actually, I was with Bobby, the gentleman from Feynlab, and we put the original ceramic, which, folks, this has to be the cheapest ceramic coating on the market. You get 30 mils, comes in this fancy box, you get an applicator with it, 30 mils of product, and it's like 36 bucks. It's a 1 to 2 year coating. I asked Bobby about that. I said, why do you say 1 to 2 years? He said, Scott, it's pretty cheap product, meaning cost is low. He said a lot of guys will take a 30 mil bottle and coat 2 cars with it. They'll put it on kind of thin. If they do that, they'll get a year, maybe a little bit more. But if they use it right and apply it correctly, put enough on the paint and allow it to fully flash out the way you're supposed to, you'll get up to 2 years with it. And I'm like, wow, that's amazing. $36, I think, for 30 mils. But we coated this panel about a month ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and I haven't had a chance to come back and hit it with water. I just wanted to see the hydrophobic properties of this coating. This is this has got to be one of the cheapest coatings on the market. Is it a slouch when it comes to hydrophobic behavior? It's been on this panel for a little bit over 3 weeks. Let's hit it with water. Let's see what happens, folks. Here we go. So this is the Feynlab original ceramic coating, 1 to 2 years. I gotta laugh. I gotta sit here and go, you know what? 30 mils for somewhere around $36 with Feynlab. That's pretty impressive, folks. I just wanted to do a follow-up on it. I don't work for Feynlab, but I think what's really cool with Feynlab is that the gentleman by the name of John Seworth, who is the chief chemist, he makes all the stuff in-house. It's his original formula. He doesn't private label this stuff, and I love it. And like I said, with his trim coating that's got the black dye in it, I wanted to honor the source. Really, really nice. $36, somewhere around there for 30 mils of a product with that type of hydrophobic properties. Incredibly easy to install. In fact, we put it on the paint. If you watched that video 3 weeks ago, we left like a huge high spot overnight for 12 hours and was still able to buff it off. I love it. There you go. Feynlab, the original ceramic coating. Got to be one of the best performing cheap ceramic coatings on the market. Love you guys. Hope that helps you out.